Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now, before you skip the intro, I want to tell you guys that you can win a Flir One Pro in this video. I'll explain how you can win it in just a moment. Now, what is a Flir One Pro? It's a device that you connect to your smartphone and it will turn your smartphone into a thermal camera like this. Now, what am I gonna do in this video? I'm gonna melt some lava rocks here. I'm gonna put them in my melting furnace, and once they're molten, I'm gonna pour them in my hot tub. Now, I purchased a hot tub 2 weeks ago from Timberin. I'll provide some links in the description below. And what is a hot tub? Well, a hot tub is a big bath and next to it is a wood stove. And when you fire the wood stove, it will heat up your bath, your hot tub. And when it's hot enough, you can jump in it with your family and start relaxing. I really love it, especially in this time of the year. So be sure to check out the website from Timberin. The link is in the description below. Now, how can you win this Flir One Pro? Now, somewhere in this video you will see a 9-digit code and you can fill in that code on the website of Flir. It's also in the description below. You fill in that code on the website of Flir and you will receive a Flir One Pro. Now, this costs around $500 US, so I think it's a nice giveaway, guys. Okay, now let's go to the melting furnace and start melting some lava rocks. Here we go.